What if I told you that the night sky this month is hosting a rare cosmic event that hasn't happened in nearly 2 decades? Welcome to the 5-planet alignment of June 2024. Let's dive into this celestial spectacle and discover how you can witness it. This June, the solar system is putting on a show with Mercury, Venus, Mars, Jupiter, and Saturn all lining up in the southeastern predawn sky. This alignment is a rare event, last seen in December 2004. Starting June 3rd, you can see this amazing alignment if you look towards the southeast just before dawn. Saturn rises first, followed by Jupiter, Mars, Venus, and finally Mercury. For the best view, find a spot with a clear view of the horizon. The peak of this event is around June 24th, when a crescent moon will join the lineup between Venus and Mars, creating a breathtaking celestial scene. But what makes this event truly special is how close the planets will appear. Are you ready to see the universe in a new light? To get the most out of this alignment, consider using binoculars or a telescope. This can help you see the details of each planet, especially the more distant ones like Saturn and Jupiter. And if you're into astrophotography, this is a perfect opportunity to capture some stunning shots. Think about this. Such alignments are a reminder of our place in the cosmos and the dynamic nature of our solar system. What does this alignment mean to you? Are you planning to watch it? Share your thoughts and any photos you take in the comments below. We'd love to hear from you.